Hi guys, today is Sunday, April 7th, 2019. Second day of my 7-day vlogging. It is 10:45. A little frustrated this morning. Yesterday I was working. Chad, I'm talking to you too, babe. I was working on my connecting the dots journey for the year. And I went to go put things into the drive. And it got stuck. And so that clip that I already had edited and put in my project, gone. And I don't know where the video's at. You know what? It's a couple clips. I'm not gonna get perturbed by it. I gotta move on. Yes. It won't be included. I lost that footage forever. I'm going to break my fast. I'm not really hungry, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it, which is like, I really shouldn't. I mean, if you're not hungry, don't eat, but I'm gonna go ahead and break my fast. I wanted to work out early this morning on fasting, like, you know, without breaking my fast, like workout, do a fast workout. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat and then clean up and then probably get to some workout because I want to do 4 miles and see if my body can do 4 miles today, and then we'll see what happens. It's just some eggs with cheese, bell peppers, onions, and then I will be having a little bit of bacon. All right guys, it is 1:21 and I got my Fitbit on. I haven't worn this in a while. I mean, I would put it on off and on here and there, but nothing consistent. But anyway, I only have 626 steps so far and it's already 1:30, but I've been sitting down doing some major editing. It's time to get up and get moving. All right, I'm going to do a video from this. It's the Leslie Sanson, it's the Miracle Miles, and I'm gonna do 4 miles today. I feel like challenging myself, pushing myself, and I feel like, you know, if anything, I just do the 3 miles, 2 miles, whatever I can do, and turn it off, you know, and go to the cool down. Electrolytes powder in here.
Don't stop.
Did it. 4 miles. I didn't even think about dinner today. I still have to think about dinner. Gosh. I think I'm going to use the Instapot because it's already, shoot, it's already 2:30. So I'll probably do chicken in the Instapot. I think that's what will be for dinner. That's a good one. I completely forgot that one had a lot of the strength training with the bands, which is really, really good because it really burned my thighs. My thighs were on fire and my arms. So that's really, really good. I'll probably do something light tomorrow just because I like to give my muscles a little bit of break. All right, guys, I'll be back. Let me go take a shower. Okay, so it is 6:20 and I'm going to have dinner. My husband put the chicken for me in the Instapot, and basically it's just some green beans with some chicken thighs with the skin, and then for drinking is my San Pellegrino natural mineral water. This one here has lots of potassium, so it's really, really good. But anyway, I'm gonna come back, guys, and I want to talk to you guys about a couple of things. But let me go ahead and eat because I do feel like with the workout, I don't know, like I need to eat. That was really good dinner. I'm working on my planner. I really haven't been doing my planner as much. I mean, I have been using it, but like not really decorating it and not really doing stuff. And today I just felt like doing a lot of editing. I'm really working on my spread. This is for the week of 8 to the 14th. Anyways, there's a couple things I wanted to talk to you guys about. One was the exercise part of it that you just seen right now. I edit that today just to be ahead, and it was so hard to watch. Now, I know I'm overweight. I know that I'm losing weight, but that I'm getting flabbier. You know, I'm 50. Things don't spring back into action as they should, maybe. But still, I just feel more flabbier. One of the things for me personally that I have a big problem with is my arms. Not so much the belly or the legs or my butt, but my arms. They're a really big problem for me. I know that I can tone them up more. I'm never going to have them the way I would love to have them, but I know I definitely can get them toned a little bit better than what they are. It will tone up. It's not going to be what I would love them to be. And that's okay. That's okay. But it was really, really difficult to see my arms the way they were. Oh boy. Anyways, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have my husband tonight measure me and see if there's any progress in their toning. So I'm going to have him measure my arms. I'm going to have him measure my thighs, my waist, my hips, and see how far I can go in terms of toning, in terms of things shrinking. The other thing I want to talk to you guys about is yesterday when I mentioned about focusing on weight and, well, you know, yeah, focusing on weight, tracking my weight more. And the thing of it is, I didn't make it clear as far as what do I want to weigh. I don't have a specific amount as to what I want to weigh by the time I go to eBay Open or by the time I run the marathon on July 4th. I don't have a specific weight right now. I just kind of want to push my body more than I've been pushing it. Really, any form of exercise is going to be more than what I've been doing. So I want to do that. And then as it gets closer or halfway through the process, come up with a number. Like, I don't know what my body's going to do right now in terms of the weight loss, but maybe halfway, the halfway point, then I can kind of evaluate and say, okay, I want to get to this weight. But for right now, I just want to see where we go with that. My husband and I are looking for a better carb counter. I don't like my MyFitnessPal for the macro counter. Yeah. But if I have to, I'll use my MyFitnessPal. But I'm trying to find something a little bit more accurate, I guess, with the carb counting. And then I'll start tracking that, and then I'll start coming and giving you guys where I ended up, because my goal is to stay under 20 grams of carbs. That's my goal. So right now I'm just playing it by ear, and I don't want to. I want to be very, very strict when it comes to that for right now. And yeah. Hey guys. All right. It is 8:27. A lot of stickers here, and that's what I'm doing. This is one of my goals, believe it or not, is to organize, and this is the types of things that I'm doing to make my life simpler, believe it or not. I love stickers. I love my planner. But when it's overwhelming and I don't do anything about it, I just buy stuff and then it just gets thrown wherever the other piles of stuff is. It actually ends up stressing me out. You know, that's the truth. So I'm going to organize this. This is my goal for today. And once this is all organized and my planner is up to date and organized, because at the end of the day, I enjoy this, okay? At the end of the day, I like sitting here and decorating my planner and planning out my week and things like that. I enjoy it. But this is stressful. My stickers are going to get organized in here. Right now I'm going to have my snack. This is measured out Halo Top, and it's measured out, you know, to what I need. If I have a little bit of time later on tonight, I'm going to look up some apps for some carbs, to log in my carbs. But in the meantime, I will be using my MyFitnessPal to help me keep track of my carbs. I didn't get any eBay done this weekend. I told my husband, I feel like I need to start from ground zero. And ground zero is organizing. Organizing my shipping bags, my workspace. Yeah, because it's not organized. Everything is everywhere, and it's just, I don't work efficiently. And it's stressing me out. And back to the whole thing, I just don't want stress in my life. Or not this unnecessary stress. This is unnecessary. So anyways, guys, that's it. I'm just going to work on the planner. It was a really, really good day, and I really am happy I did the 4 miles. My husband still has to measure my arms and things, but my arms are really, really bothering me. But, you know, it's another goal to work on these arms, you know. So day 2 was a success, I think. And yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. And sorry about the glare on my glasses, but I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.